10 practical ways to make money as a student. Being a student often comes with financial challenges, but there are various ways to earn money while juggling your studies. Whether you're looking for part-time jobs, freelancing opportunities, or simple side hustles, this article presents 10 practical ways to make money as a student. By exploring these options, you can gain valuable experience, develop skills, and alleviate financial stress. 1. Part-time jobs. Consider finding a part-time job that offers flexibility and fits your schedule. Some popular options include working as a retail associate, restaurant server, or tutor. Look for opportunities on and off campus that align with your skills and interests. Remember to balance your work hours with your academic commitments. 2. Freelancing. Utilize your skills in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management to offer freelance services. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients seeking these skills. Build a portfolio to showcase your work and establish an online presence to attract potential clients. 3. Tutoring. If you excel in a specific subject, offer your tutoring services to fellow students or younger learners. Advertise through word of mouth, social media, or tutoring platforms like Wizant or Chegg. Customize your approach, set competitive rates, and provide high-quality tutoring sessions to enhance your reputation. 4. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys on reputable websites to earn some extra cash or rewards during your spare time. While the pay may not be substantial, it can provide a quick and easy way to make money. Research and join reliable survey sites to maximize your earning potential. 5. Selling items. Sell items you no longer need or explore opportunities for reselling thrift store or garage sale finds. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace can help you reach a wider audience. Set competitive prices, take appealing photos, write compelling descriptions, and provide excellent customer service to attract buyers. 6. Social media management. Utilize your social media skills to manage the online presence of businesses or individuals. Offer services such as content creation, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. Develop a portfolio and reach out to small businesses or individuals seeking assistance in managing their social media accounts. 7. Virtual assistants. Provide virtual assistance to professionals or entrepreneurs who need help with administrative tasks, data entry, research, or scheduling. Platforms like TaskRabbit or Upwork offer opportunities to find virtual assistant gigs. Showcase your organizational skills and reliability to attract clients. 8. Transcription. If you have good listening and typing skills, consider working as a transcriptionist. Many companies and individuals require transcriptions for audio or video content. Platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe connect transcriptionists with clients in need of accurate transcriptions. 9. Content writing. If you have strong writing skills, explore content writing opportunities. Many websites, blogs, and businesses require engaging and informative content. Create a portfolio, pitch your writing services to potential clients, and deliver high-quality content tailored to their needs. 10. Online teaching. With the rise of e-learning, there are opportunities to teach English or other subjects to international students online. Platforms like VIPKid or Cambly connect tutors with students seeking language or academic instruction. Set your availability, prepare lesson plans, and provide an interactive learning experience. Conclusion. As a student, you have various options for making money while balancing your studies. From part-time jobs to freelancing, tutoring, or selling items, these 10 practical ways can help you generate income, gain valuable experience, and develop essential skills.